Hello everyone, here's your Southeast Idaho weather and hazard briefing for Wednesday, November 6th, and we're running out of ways to describe the forecast over the next few days. Persistent northwest flow, potentially dry until we get to the early part of next week, and we've said it before, and we're pretty much going to be saying this over the next several days. You pretty much can see here on the satellite loop where that ridge remains off to our west, flow up and over the top of that into Canada, back down into the north central part of the country, and that trend will continue. We're going to see the pattern just shifting ever so slightly to the west today, and what that will do is bring maybe a shower closer to the Continental Divide, but really nothing expected in our area. Now, this is the look at the ensemble, that big range of forecasts we can look at versus just one idea. You'll notice as we go through the rest of this week into the weekend, all that moisture stays on to the north. We head into the weekend, that pretty much stays the same. Now, notice by the time we get into Saturday and Sunday, we're starting to see that pattern shift back to the west just a bit, and that's going to bring some light precipitation, mainly in the form of some mountain snow up around the Island Park area, maybe down to Driggs, maybe even to the central mountains. The forecast here doesn't have as much. We have a little bit more sinking to the south and to the west, so the forecast for Sunday and beyond, mainly Sunday into early Monday, then again as we head into Tuesday, a little better chance of some precipitation falling in the mountains, but again, it's going to be light. That's still a low confidence forecast, but the main impact is really just going to be seeing some settled temperature changes as we go through the next several days. Here we are with the temperature forecast. Look at this afternoon. We're dropping back a little bit. We might not hit 60 down around Burley, Twin Falls, down towards the Oakley area. We're going to be close, just a couple of degrees cooler, I think, overall than what we saw yesterday. Cooler tomorrow as that cooler air over the divides continues to filter in. Again, we're in this pattern. Very chilly mornings with the dry air in place. We do warm up some in the afternoon hours. By Friday, we're going to see a few more of those 60s returning down into the Magic Valley, down to the South Hills and Albion Mountains. There will be a subtle warm-up in the overnight lows the next few days as well, after we get through tomorrow morning anyway. Temperatures holding status quo on Saturday, but that's when we start to see that pattern shift. Sunday, temperatures dropping back, and certainly by the time we get into Monday as well across the area. So again, main impacts over the next few days will be those subtle changes in temperatures. There's really not anything we can hang our hand on whether or not we will actually see some precipitation falling for the weekend and early in the part of next week, but there is a slight chance. Just keep that in the back of your mind. If you have any questions, please give us a call. We're here 24/7, 365. Otherwise, have a great day and stay safe out there.